Hi, my little friends. Are you ready to draw a cute little baby who just arrived in the world? Let's go and draw a cozy, swaddled baby. First, I take my black marker and draw a small circle for the baby's head. Then I add 2 tiny ears on each side. Now I draw 2 sweet eyes, a tiny mouth, little eyebrows, and a cute patch of hair on top. Aw, our baby is already so adorable. Now I draw a big oval shape around the baby's head to make the swaddle. It's like a warm, soft blanket wrapped around the baby. Then I draw a few diagonal lines on the swaddle to show the layers of the fabric. So cozy and snug. Now let's draw the pacifier. Just a tiny, cute one in front of their mouth. Then I draw a little rattle so the baby can play. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. And of course, a baby bottle so they don't get hungry. You know babies get hungry fast. And last, I draw a tiny stroller so we can take our baby for a walk. Now I take a darker black marker and trace around the whole drawing. Wow, it looks so much nicer and neat now. Time to color it all in. Grab your crayons. Let's use these beautiful colors together. Yellow, orange, pink, green, blue, purple, hot pink, Oh, look at our baby now! So colorful and sweet! They've got everything they need and are ready for a nap. Shh! Let's be quiet so we don't wake them up. See you in the next drawing. Love you all. Bye-bye!